supplies or packages. This is for relay. Let us see the for relay. Okay. A for relay that is used as a switch with optocoupler type. The diode uses the 1N or 148 pass switching with this jumper cups for relay. And then we have this. Okay, we have this control joystick, analog joystick, push button. This is a joystick shield Panduino Nukla 5110. Nokia? Why is it Nokia 5110? With a pin header, push button, switch, slide switch. So these are all the combination of different switches. Double header, pin header, double header, mail header. Okay, there is a connection. Then we have this. This is a delay switch, timer switch, IC type or SMD type. Timer switch. 4 timer switch. Another timer switch or board, circuit board, delay timer. And then we have this what's this? Bluetooth. This is Bluetooth because there is an antenna, Bluetooth antenna, and then the output speaker with SD card slot, so we can play canned music or music from SD card. So you can see there is also a remote, infrared LED, this one. Bluetooth with infrared remote, push button switch for the MP3 or this SD card with microphone. And then what's this? Another Bluetooth. Why they are two? Bluetooth again. Micro USB port. At the same time, it is Bluetooth and MP3 player combination. Also, we can able to speak because there's a mic. Oh, we can do that. And then what's this? We have LED 100 pieces 0603. That is the size of this SMD type LED 0603, 100 pieces. This I think is color if not blue or green. Blue. Then again, this one is I think blue. Blue 100 pieces. The other one is G, green. So for the blue color, we also have this SMD type LED. The size is 0603. That is the size of this small LED, SMD LED. 0603. And then we have this What? Very nice. Transparent type breadboard. I ordered it from China. So this is from China. That's why we have this. We can now use this breadboard. Let us now use this. This is solderless. And it is very nice. It's transparent type. So you can see here it is a continuous supply. It is a continuous row. Row, continuous row again, column. While in the other breadboard, like this old breadboard, we cannot see the. There is some breadboard that is there is no straight connection with for the supply. This is straight, transparent type. And then we have this. What is this? This is what? We have this jumper wires for breadboarding. You can see here, it's a jumper wire for the breadboard. Just like this one. Just select the right length or the right wire. You can connect that. So this breadboard is very nice, transparent type, and these are jumper wires from China with love, with different length, short, long, medium, also with box. And we have this. It is a kit. We have this kit. This is CD4017 voice activated using IC. Voice activated LED chaser with different LED size 5mm and with microphone. So this is a voice activated kit. Voice activated LED chaser. We can assemble that. Then we have this. Then this is again a Bluetooth. I think it's M18 or M18, MH-M18 Bluetooth with no amplifier, just Bluetooth. Then again, we have this RGB. So this one is blue. I think this one is blue, green, blue, then RGB. LED, SMD type. The size is 0603. Okay, 100 pieces. So this one is RGB. Then we have this. What is this? Just a plastic. For what? Just a plastic. What's this for? Plastic with stand up. Oh, okay, this one we have 315 megahertz. It's H15 315 megahertz radio frequency module, RF module. Two sets of RF module, 315 megahertz, two sets. 2 sets. Then we have this another Bluetooth with volume control. There is an antenna Bluetooth with volume control, voltage output. The supply is here, 3.7 to 24 volts supply. FXWWRBT, that is the model name. Another Bluetooth. And then we have the Bluetooth again. Bluetooth with volume. It is different from this one. With speaker connection, 2 speaker, left and right. This one is mono. Where's the speaker? Left and right, mono. This one is stereo Bluetooth module. So we have this all items that I bought from online store. We're going to use this for our upcoming project.